So question number 27. If y equal to x log x, then dy by dx is. So x log x means there are two functions here. That is just UV method. You have to take your first function into derivative of second function. So that is d by dx of log x plus second function, that is log x, into derivative of first function. So x into, what is the derivative for log x? That is 1 by x, no? Plus log x into derivative of x will be 1 only. So x and x will cancel here. Simply the answer will be 1 plus log x. So second option will be the correct answer. Next one. Question number 28. Y is given x plus x square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x cube. Find dy by dx. Derivative of this particular function with respect to x only. It is given. What is the derivative for x? I will write the answer for dy by dx only. Derivative for x will be 1. Derivative for x square will be 2x. By using the formula, derivative for x power n is n into x power n minus 1 based on that. And third function is given 1 by x, that is x power minus 1. X power minus 1 means that is minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. That means x power minus 2, that is 1 by x square. Next, the fourth function is 1 by x cube, that is x power minus 3. That means minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. That means by x power 4 only. So finally the answer will be 1 plus 2x minus 1 by x square minus 3 by x power 4. This is the derivative for the given function. The question number 29. Y equal to 1 by x plus 1. Then find dy by dx. Okay, see here. So let me consider this is a single function. X plus 1 is to be taken as a simple x only, a simple function only. Then 1 by x plus 1 means y can be written as x plus 1 whole inverse. Then dy by dx will be minus 1 into x plus 1 whole power minus 1 from the basic formula. That is minus 1 into x plus 1 whole power minus 2. So which is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Third option will be the correct one. Question number 30. Differentiation of sine of x square. So you have to take the derivative, you have to calculate the derivative here for sine x square. What is the generally what is the formula for derivative of sine x? That is cos x only, no? So that is cos x square. And again you have to take the derivative for inside function, that is x square. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. So finally the answer is 2x cos x square. So that second option will be the correct one. Next one. Question number 31. If y equal to 2 sin square theta plus tan theta, so then dy by dx. So dy by d theta, with respect to theta you have to take here 2 into, what is the derivative for sin square theta? We already have derived in the previous class only. For sin square theta, the derivative will be sin 2 theta plus, and what is the derivative for tan theta? That is secant square theta only, no? So answer for dy by d theta will be 2 sin 2 theta plus secant square theta. Next, question number 32. It is given y equal to sin cube x. Then dy by dx will be, if y equal to sin cube x given, then dy by dx will be, let me consider it is in the form of x power n only, where x is sin x only. n is 3 only. Then what will you write? 3 into sin x power 3 minus 1. And also for the inside function, if it is not exactly x, if it is other function, then you have to take the derivative for the inside function also. What is the function here? Sin x is taken, x only here. For that, the derivative will be, derivative of sin x will be cos x. So finally, you will get here 3 into sin x whole power 3 minus 1, that is 2. That means sin square x cos x. So dy by dx will be 3 sin square x cos x. Question number 33. Y equal to some function is given here and they are asking us to find out dy by dx. So I will separately calculate the derivative for each and every factor here. 4 factors are given here. For all the different factors, I will calculate separately and finally you can write combinedly there. The first function I will consider here. Okay, according to the first function, what is given 2x plus 3 whole power 4 na? Let me consider y1, let me take the first function, that is 2x plus 3 whole power 4. Then you have to calculate dy by dx. And 2x plus 3 can be taken as simple function x only. Then according to the formula, 4 into 2x plus 3 whole power 4 minus 1. It is from the formula derivative for x power n is n into x power n minus 1. And for the inside function, again you have to write the derivative. For 2x plus 3, the derivative is, for 2x the derivative is 2. For constant, the derivative will be 0. So this will be how much finally? 4 into 2, 8 into 2x plus 3 whole power 4 minus 1 is 3. So the derivative for the first function will be 2x plus 3, 8 into 2x plus 3 whole cube. See here, in first option it is correct, in third option it is correct. In second and fourth options, these two are wrong only, no? Okay, next one. Second function, y2, you can take it now. For the second function, y2 is again similar function only, 7x minus 1 whole square. Then dy by dx. Differentiation will be 2 into 7x minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1. And the derivative for inside function is 7x derivative is 7. 1 derivative will be 0, so no problem. So finally it is 2 into 7, 14 into 7x minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1, 1 only. No? So that means 14 into 7x minus 1. So minus is already given in the information here. So answer will be, here you have to write minus 14 into 7x minus 1. So this option is wrong. Only the first option is correct. Of course, we got the answer, but still 2 more functions are there. For the first 2 functions only we got the answer. We can pick the correct answer. But we also can go through the next 2 functions also. I will explain them. What is the third function? y3 is equal to 2 into 2 by 3x minus 1 whole cube given. You can write here 3x minus 1 whole power minus 3 if it comes to the numerator. Again, in the similar way, you do that. 2 into, what is the derivative of this function? Minus 3 into 3x minus 1 whole power minus 3 minus 1. And derivative of inside function, that is 3. And finally, how much it is? 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3, 18. So finally, minus 18 into 3x minus 1 whole power minus 4. When it comes to the denominator, 3x minus 1 whole power 4. The third function will be how much then? Minus 18 by 3x minus 1 whole power 4. In the first option only the same thing was given. And for fourth one also, I will write here. I will write here for the fourth factor. So what is the fourth factor here? 4 into, if it comes to the numerator, 3x minus 2 whole power minus 3. And in a similar way, 4 into the derivative for this function, minus 3 into 3x minus 2 whole power minus 3 minus 1. For the inside function, derivative will be 3. Finally, it will be 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36. So minus 36 by, it is 3x minus 2 whole power minus 4, na? When it comes to the denominator, this will be 3x minus 2 whole power 4. Okay? For the function f of x equal to x cube minus x cube plus 5x plus 2, the slope of the graph of function f of x at point x equal 3 years. What does the slope indicate? The derivative of the function only indicates the slope. So derivative of function, first you take here. That is, let me consider y only. F of x given. Let me consider this is y only. Then dy by dx will be, derivative will be how much? X cube derivative will be 3x square. 5x derivative will be 5 only. Plus derivative for constant will be 0. So finally derivative will be 3x square plus 5. And they're asking here, this is nothing but slope only. And they're asking here the slope at a point x equal to 3. Then you just substitute here x equal to 3. 3 into, in place of x, if you substitute 3 square plus 5. And finally, 3 square will be 9, 9 into 3, 27 plus 5. Totally the answer will be 32. And question number 35. It is given y equal to sin x equal to 3t. That means you can write here y equal to sin x, that is equal to sin. In place of x again you can write 3t. Na? So finally what is y? Y is nothing but sin 3t. And you have to calculate the differentiation with respect to time only. So derivative for sin 3t will be, derivative for cos, sin function will be cos function into derivative of inside function. For 3t the derivative will be 3 only. Na? So finally answer will be 3 cos 3t. Sorry, cos 3 cos 3t is the answer. Question number 36. dy by dx you have to calculate for y equal to sin x cube. Okay, y is given sin x cube. Simply x is there, no problem. Sin x derivative will be cos x. But x cube is given, then derivative for sin function is cos of same function into derivative of inside function. What is the derivative for x cube? 3x square. Na? So we can write the answer here 3x square cos x cube. That is the derivative for given function. If a function is written as y1 equal to sin 4x square, then the derivative, again in the similar way you can write, what is the derivative for sin function? Cos function. So cos of 4x square into derivative of the inside function. What is the derivative of 4x square? That is 8x only. Na? So finally the answer is 8x into cos of 4x square. Okay. 38th question. Function is written as y1 equal to sin 4x square. y2 equal to log x cube. dy2 by dx they are asking. So dy2 by dx in the sense, only for y2 function you can calculate you can take the differentiation. No need to care about the y1 function. So here log x cube. For any logarithm function, what is the derivative? 1 by x cube. 1 by x, in place of x there is x cube. Na? Into the derivative for inside function. What is the derivative for x cube? 3x square. So x square and x square will get cancelled. Then the answer will be 3 by x only. Second option will be the correct one then. Question number 39 given. Y equal to 5 sin of 3 omega t plus 5. Where omega and phi are constants. Find dy by dt. So here derivative will be 5 into, what is the derivative for sine function? Cos of same function only, cos of 3 omega t plus 5 into derivative of inside function. What is the inside function? 3 omega t. What is the derivative of 3 omega t? 3 omega only. because t is only the variable there. 3 and omega are constants. So 3 omega plus constant, y is constant, so derivative will be 0. So it is finally 5 into 3 omega, how much? 15 omega cos of 3 omega t plus 5. Match the following functions in column 1 with their derivatives with respect to x in column 2. So, what is the sin x derivative here? Sin x derivative will be cos x. So, a related to r. A gives rise to r. Then b minus cos x given. For cos x, the derivative will be minus sin x. For minus cos x, it will be sin x only. No? So, yes. Next c. Secant x derivative will be secant x tan x only. So that is B. And for D, minus cosecant x. Cosecant x will be cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x. So already in the given function only minus is given. Na? So it is cosecant x cot x. So D gives rise to Q only. Based on that, what is the correct answer? First option only, BTS C2P D2Q. First option only will be the correct. The function given is 16th one, alpha equal to secant 3 beta. Then d alpha by d beta. Derivative of secant function will be secant x tan x only. Na? That means secant 3 beta into tan 3 beta into the derivative of 3 beta also you have to write here. That is into 3. Derivative for 3 beta with respect to beta is 3 only. So finally the answer is 3 secant 3 beta tan 3 beta.